maple syrup. It's one of those rich, sweet syrups that we all love. Now, I bet you thought I was gonna make a dessert with this guy. Nope. I have a dish with pulled pork that is a winner every time. Now, this is pork butt, but it's not a butt, it's a shoulder. It's a delicious, cheap cut of meat that if you give it the right amount of time, it'll come out perfectly, juicy, and delicious every time. It seriously rocks. So I've covered this pork in some brown sugar and salt and let it sit overnight, and that's gonna help tenderize this meat and season it. But it's done its job, so I'm gonna get rid of it now. As this pork butt cooks, all this fat on here is gonna melt into the meat and make it juicy, delicious, and tender. It's a real treat. I'm gonna make 2 sauces for this pork. One, I'm gonna start with a basting sauce. And the other one, well, I'll let you guys know later. Hot water, please. Thank you. I love this basting sauce. It's so simple and it's full of this delicious caramely maple syrup. Start off with a couple glugs of this and some grainy mustard. Now for the last ingredient, some zesty lemon. Gonna add some brightness and kind of counteract the sweetness of the maple syrup. Fresh ground pepper. I'm gonna get this all over the pork shoulder. So this is looking just right. I'm gonna save a little bit of this for later, and I'm gonna get this guy in the oven. And now for the second sauce. It's pretty much the same, just a few extra ingredients. I love making sauces. They add a depth of flavor to all dishes. So these babies, they gotta get sauteing up. Hit a hot pan with some olive oil. So now the basting sauce that I reserved earlier is gonna go in this pan. Just let that thicken up a little. I have my friends calling me for the recipe for this sauce. It's that good. All right, looks good. Now I'm gonna take this off the heat and add one last ingredient. Creamy, sweet maple butter. Look how it's just melting into that sauce. So another great thing about this sauce is that it can be served room temperature. Now, my pork needs a few more hours to cook, so I can just kick back, relax, and dream of dinner time. Oh my God, guys, I am so excited to show you this pork. Look at this beauty. All of that fat has melted and soaked into the meat. This is gonna be really good. I gotta taste it. Hot. Into my sauce. Wow. It's so juicy and tender, and that sweet maple, that works so well with this pork. Look at this. This meat, it's like it's just melting. It falls apart. This is why you cook it low and slow, guys. Wow. The power of maple syrup.